All right, guys, got a 2022 Toyota Tundra. We did a Borla swap and put some tips on it. So factory converter right there, factory converter right there, comes down, Y's over here, single, and then we put a Borla ProXS on it right there, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, and then 3-inch sleeve on the back to connect it to the rest of the system. So Borla right there. The part number on the Borla is 409359, and then factory tailpipe, factory resonator, and then into some Borla tips right there, 3-inch inlet, rolled 4-inch outlet. And he brought a Y pipe, so we did double, so we got 2 of them right there. Out the side, exit like that. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, 2022 Toyota Tundra with the Borla ProXS. Go ahead. Idle's at 72. Sound decibels. It says 90 to 91. It probably hits around 92, but it's on the opposite side, so. Let you guys hear it on the inside. (2022) Toyota Tundra, Borla ProXS, and Borla tips.